Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 2a. So finally friends, I did receive the Nothing Phone 2a today and I'm going to do the unboxing video in this video, and let's get started with this unboxing of this Nothing Phone 2a. And right now I do have the Nothing Phone 2 and the Nothing Phone 1 as well. I'll definitely do the in-depth comparison, and in case if you're interested in more videos on this Nothing Phone 2a, let me know in the comment section below. So let's get started with this unboxing of this Nothing Phone 2a. This is a quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 2a. So let's do the quick unboxing of the device. And the phone box is pretty slim and as well, and let me quickly open the phone and let's see what are the contents we do get inside the box. So here's a quick look at the Nothing Phone 2a device, so which is a white color model which I did order. And along with the phone we do get Type-C to Type-C cable and some information, and we do have the SIM card pin. As you can see, SIM card pin is there here. So apart from that, you won't get anything in the box, and there is a quick overview of the Nothing Phone 2a unboxing. So let me quickly unwrap this one. So this is a Nothing Phone 2a, as you can see friends, so which is a white color edition which I did order. So it looks pretty good, the white color. So there is a black color, so which is a Nothing Phone 2, and there is a Nothing Phone 1. So just I want to try the white color variant, that's why this time I did order the white one instead of black one. So let me quickly boot up the device and let's see so whether we do have any kind of charge in this device or not. So when let's see the initial setup process in the Nothing Phone 2a. So this is my first time booting up the device after the quick unboxing, and I'm going to walk through the step-by-step process of initial setup process which is involved in this Nothing Phone 2a. So this is overall look and design of the device, so which looks pretty good as well and unique. And right now the phone is booting up, and you can see the animation here, the startup animation, and we got here. And let me quickly select the country, and there is no SIM card. Let's keep it set up offline. So let me change the date and time, and date and time is set it up. And now let me skip the pin as well, so let's keep it, and I'll try to set up this pin later. And let's agree, and you do get all the options. If you want, you can enable them or disable them, and skip. So here's a quick initial setup process of the Nothing Phone 2a. So right now you do get all the information, so which is you are choosing the visual style. So let me choose the nothing kind of visual style, and let's finish the setup. So right now it's preparing and it's done. So this is a complete setup process which is involved in this Nothing Phone 2a, so which is pretty smooth overall my experience. I think by default the refresh rate, let me select to the 120 Hz refresh rate right now, so which I did select at this moment. So right now guys, I do have the charge of 74%, so which is pretty good enough. And this is a 12GB and 256GB variant which I did order. So right now out of 256GB, you can see how much is used. 15GB is used at this moment, and the system takes around 11.11GB, and the apps are taking about 3.4GB. So this is the information regarding the overall internal storage and what you can actually expect in this Nothing Phone 2a. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and make sure to comment below what are the videos you want me to upload on this device. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.